The 2021 GMC Yukon debuted in its all-new form for the year. Along with its sassy new looks and tech, the SUV has brought a slew of complications. According to the NHTSA, the 2021 Yukon has had 11 officially recognized recalls in the 4 years or so since its launch. While the number of official complaints is only 50, the number of complaints on forums has been alarmingly high, far exceeding the official figures. Is the 2021 GMC Yukon worth the $60,000 or so on the used cars market? Let's find out. Engine issues. Faulty pushrod lifters in certain batches of engines have resulted in the engine failing prematurely at mileages as low as 7,000 miles. As a precursor to this issue, users reported random engine stalls and knocking. Although no recall has been issued, the automaker has provided owners with component coverage extended warranties that cover the repair costs of SUVs that have been sent in with lifter or valve train complaints. Infotainment faults. Although these are not officially recognized issues, many owners have complained about glitches in the infotainment system. Some of the major issues mentioned include random reboots, loss of wireless connectivity, and faulty USB ports. Firmware reset or update was said to be a temporary fix, as users continue to experience intermittent issues. Service brakes. Many owners have been bothered by the brake system failure warning. The brakes are said to lose feel and pressure intermittently, reducing braking performance. When this occurs, the ABS, ESC, AEB, and trailer brake warning lights are said to illuminate. The problems were later discovered to be the result of faulty brake calibration from the dealership service department, and the affected vehicles were repaired under an official recall. Steering. A few Yukon 2021 owners have complained about the loss of power steering or steering assist functionality while driving. This was later discovered to be a software bug and was fixed as part of a factory recall. Forward collision avoidance system. A few owners have complained about the FCAS on the 2021 Yukon being defective or overly intrusive. As previously stated, the two major issues have been failing to autonomously brake in the event of a crash and braking excessively. Because the dealers were unable to reproduce the problem, the only viable solution was a firmware reset. Faulty airbags. Two frequent complaints against the 2021 Yukon have been the airbags not deploying in the event of a crash and the airbag warning light turning on at random. An official recall was conducted to address the issue, which was determined to be related to a malfunctioning gateway communication module. Recalls. There are 11 recalls reported by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration for the 2021 GMC Yukon. The recalls cover issues such as exterior lighting, seat belts, powertrain, fuel system, service brakes, hydraulic, steering, airbags, and electrical system. For more details of each recall, you can visit official NHTSA website. Should you buy a used GMC Yukon? Since its launch, the GMC Yukon has consistently ranked among the top 3 full-size SUVs, and this ranking continues today. With its formidable appearance, impressive feature set, and sheer power, this full-size SUV can handle anything. Even though 11 recalls for a single model year may seem excessive, this is a fairly common occurrence these days because automakers are fitting their cars with as much technology as possible. Also, the entire ownership experience is enhanced by GM's prompt resolution of all these problems and solid post-sale support record. Given how much love this SUV has received over the years, we can't think of a single reason why you shouldn't purchase a used one.